This is Kali. Kali has had cubs with a lion from outside the pride. She gave birth in secret. If the pride males suspect the cubs don't belong, they'll kill them. Kali would know Sefu anywhere. He was one of the lions who drove her from the pride. Is he here to take revenge on her cubs? Whatever happens now, it's over to the cubs. It seems their charm is irresistible. Could the cubs be his? If Sefu takes to the role of father, perhaps this is the start of a pride of their own. It's safe for her sister to join them too. For now, they can simply enjoy being a family. But in this land, another day often means yet another trial. Our home is being destroyed. Nowhere is safe. The fire reaches Kali and the pride. But fleeing the fire takes them into the path of even greater danger. The black-maned lions are on the prowl. They fear nothing. They want to take these rich hunting lands for themselves. No rivals will be spared. The black-maned males see the cubs of others as enemies. Even the smallest. Kali must fight once more. Give her cubs the chance to escape. Kali must leave the battle, find her cubs if she can. Sefu must now fight on alone. As dawn breaks, the extent of the destruction is revealed. Kali survived, but only 2 of her cubs are by her side. In our land, there are few certainties. Now that we're all caught up, let's take a look at some never-before-seen footage from last season. The Great Rock, home to the baboons since the dawn of our land. But recently, an aggressive leader took over and stirred things up. He fought his way to the top. To rule, he relies on the support of the highest-ranking females, such as Subira. But she was once close to another, Bakari. To win Subira back, he must take on the leader and earn respect from the rest of the troop. But in our land, fortunes change in a heartbeat. For Subira, it's too late. And her son will never survive alone. Bakari can't just abandon him. So he makes the only decision he can and takes her baby as his own. When Bakari tried to raise the baby alone, he struggled to find his place in the troop. But when Cheka joined him, everything changed. Both share the parenting, and Bakari keeps them safe. But the troop leader still keeps Bakari in his place. Bakari is beaten into submission. And the leader proclaims his dominance. Bakari knows what this means. For their sake, he must leave the troop. Somehow, he'll have to survive alone. But there's worse to come. Fire has ravaged our land, as it has since the dawn of time. On Baboon Rock, Bakari has witnessed the fire engulf everything, and his troop is caught in the middle of it. Cheka and her baby run for their lives. In his panic, a youngster seeks safety in a tree. Cheka realizes too late. Now she can't reach him. But Bakari is heading for the flames. He hears their cries. Somehow, he must find a way through. Together, they find a way to safety. The fire disrupted all our lives. Bakari's troop was displaced. A rival troop, also displaced by the fire. Now that we're all caught up, let's take a look at some never-before-seen footage from last season. after day, the Great Migration continues. But one family of zebra has reason to pause. Shani is their leader. She and her foal endured an arduous trek to get here. But there's worse to come. Reaching the lush grasslands means braving the treacherous river. Their enemies are ready. Shani still faces an impossible decision. How could her foal survive such ferocity? Somehow, they must find the courage. It's now or never. No crocodile can ever be trusted. Crocodiles aren't the only danger. The current takes many lives. Exhausted, vulnerable, he's oblivious to the danger he's in. His life is spared this time. Lost and lonely, without a mother, no youngster survives for long. Maybe there is hope. Could his mother be drawn to the waterhole too? The waterhole is now teeming with zebra families. But how could he find his mother in such a sea of stripes? Shani will never give up on her foe. Shani is still searching. Is she too late? Here, the secret is never to lose hope. As the day finally cools, the herds head back to the plains. Shani and her foal join those who have lived to see another day. Now that we're all caught up, let's take a look at some never-before-seen footage from last season.
What?